how do you build your price book? Like literally, how do you do it? Not what should I do, not why should I do it, but how do you do it? So whether you already have one or not, what you need to be thinking about right now is you've got a list of SKUs in your business. A SKU is basically an identifier, a unique identifier to a service or product. So a water heater install would be a SKU. A 50-gallon gas water heater installed that you supply would be a SKU. Maybe a 50-gallon gas water heater that you install that's a different brand would be another SKU. An owner-supplied 50-gallon gas water heater installation would be another SKU. An expansion tank would be a SKU. Shutoff would be a SKU, so forth and so on. So how do we build a price book that makes big impact? Well, the first rule is we need to understand is we can't do it overnight. In another video, I talk about this idea of why is it so hard to build a price book and how do we differentiate the two functions of a price book? Well, right now, what I want to break down for you is exactly how to do it. So think about those SKUs, and then I want you to think about in your business, which one of those SKUs sells the most. If you were to have 100 customers come through your business, would 10 of them do something, 15 of them do something, 20 of them do something that's the same? Meaning of the 100 transactions you have, can you find one SKU that transact more than the rest? If you can, let's just hypothetically say of 100 jobs you did last month or of 100 jobs you did last week or of 100 jobs you did yesterday, 20% of them were mainline drain calls. What I'm going to do as an owner is I'm going to fill the jar with the biggest item first. I'm going to go find that one SKU. I'm going to build out my description. I'm going to build out my code or task code, depending on which software I use, and I'm going to get that thing perfect. Now, quick little side tip. If you're doing a product like a water heater, Bradford White, Rheem, whatever it is, or you're doing a toilet, a Toto Entrada, or a Toto Drake, you can go right to their website, steal their photo, and copy their product description. They've spent millions of dollars learning what to say to the community and to the public. Might as well just take what they have. Add your warranty to the bottom, presto, majesto, your price book is already in motion of being built. And all you had to do was copy and paste. All you did was analyze and find the biggest item in your price book that sells the most. And just think about this for a second. If that item gets sold 20 out of 100 times, you just fixed 20% of your invoices, 20% of your estimates, 20% of your customer experience description, meaning every one of your customers, or at least 20% of your customers overall, or every one of your customers that did that service got the same description, got the same price, got the same experience. This is how you scale quality control. Don't get lost in the details. The devil's in the details. You get lost in the bigger items. Fill the jar with the biggest items first. We can finish filling it with the small items second. Now that we know how to build that price book out, we need to make sure this price book is selling for us. In this video right here, we're going to show you how to get your price book to convert.